Hello everyone, I am Pritiprasanna Samal from Odisha. I have secured All India Rank 22 in GATE 2023. For this, I would like to thank all the faculties and all the members of MIM Academy. I would like to share some of my experience with you. I found it to be an amazing institute because here all the faculties are based in their respective field and all have so much experience, and the study materials are also best. The most important thing is team is so cooperative. Whenever I have any query, whenever I reach out to them, they always try to solve them as soon as possible. And all the faculty will used to share their experience in the class and used to share how to prepare notes, how to revise, how to practice problems, and they always used to mark which topic is important for GATE, which topic is important for NET, and which that's helped me so much in the time of preparation. And so for this, I'd like to pay my gratitude to Akashdeep sir, Jonty sir, and Ankur sir and Bhinu sir. Without this, this would not be possible. So thank you MIM Academy. Thank you so much.